Creating a waitlist page for your upcoming course is one of the best ways to build anticipation and grow your audience before you even launch. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a waitlist page that will not only capture leads, but also set your course up for success. And stay tuned till the end, where I'll share how you can get an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend for this process. So, first let's talk about the platform we'll be using today. It's an easy-to-use software that allows you to set up landing pages, opt-in forms, and much more. It's the perfect tool for building your waitlist page quickly and efficiently. If you want to follow along, you can grab your exclusive free trial of the software from the link in the description below, only for viewers of this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is create an eye-catching headline for your waitlist page. This needs to clearly explain what your course is about and why people should be excited. Be specific and use words that trigger curiosity, like exclusive access or be the first to know. The goal here is to let visitors know they're signing up for something valuable they can't miss. Once you've got your headline, you'll want to follow up with a brief description of what your course will offer. This isn't the place for the entire course syllabus. Keep it short and sweet. Focus on what makes your course different and explain the key benefits. Think of it as a teaser, something that builds desire but leaves them wanting more. Now, let's talk about the call to action, CTA. This is the most important part of your waitlist page. It should be clear, direct, and visible. Something like, join the waitlist now or get early access works well. Make sure your button stands out by using a contrasting color from the rest of your page design. You don't want visitors to miss it. Next, make sure you add an opt-in form to capture their email addresses. This is essential for building your email list and keeping potential students engaged. Our software makes this step super simple with customizable fields. All you need is an email field, but you can also add more fields like name and phone number if needed. After that, it's time to add a confirmation message or email. Once someone signs up for your waitlist, you want to immediately send them a thank you message to let them know they're on the list. You can also use this message to give them a sneak peek of what's coming, or offer them an exclusive bonus for signing up early. This keeps the excitement going and builds anticipation. The last thing to remember is that your waitlist page needs to look good on both desktop and mobile. Most people will be viewing your page on their phones, so make sure it's responsive. Luckily, the software we're using takes care of this for you, so you don't need to worry about complicated designs. To recap, here's what we've covered. Start with a compelling headline. Add a brief but enticing course description. Include a strong CTA to get people to sign up. Capture emails with an opt-in form. Send a confirmation message to keep the excitement alive. Make sure your page is mobile friendly. Remember, the waitlist page is just the start of your course launch journey, and it's crucial to get it right. I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below to follow along with this tutorial and get your page up and running. The key takeaway here is that building a simple, effective waitlist page can create massive buzz before you even launch your course. Focus on clarity, simplicity, and providing value from the start. So get started now, and I'll see you in the next video.